So we've got some cool news this morning. The Laravel starter kits now include toast notifications by default. And this works for basically all the starter kits, everything from the React, Vue, Svelte, Livewire, basically all of them have it now. So let's dive in and take a look at how this works. So I've already got a Laravel 13 app, fresh install, up and loaded. When I went through the install, I picked Livewire. So I've got it up and going, Laravel 13.test. I've went in the background and created an account already. So now we should be able to just log in and see a toast notification. So let me go to the dashboard. I'm going to click my name down here to go to the settings. And if I hit save here, that should be the toast notification. That should trigger it. And boom, it works. Profile updated down here in the corner. And that's basically what a toast notification is. Of course, the best way to do this is to go to the bottom of our post and we have references. So in this situation, I'm using the Livewire starter kit. So I'm going to go over to that commit and you can kind of see all the way it's set up. So we have components action message, the header and the sidebar, but the profile and security is what I was just doing. I was actually just doing the profile page, and you can see right here, it's just Flux Toast, profile updated. And that's really it. So you can dive in and see how all this is set up. You can, of course, move the toast notification around, put it in a different spot, do anything like that. But all this is available as of today. All you have to do is create you a new starter kit and you will have it included. So go check that out, and thanks for watching.